friends, students, welcome back to my channel once again. So, as earlier also I told you that we discuss more about electronics, electrical, basic electronics, basic electricals, different type of principles, and mostly we will discuss about the project part. That is the project as micro, mini, and main project for the engineering and for the diploma students. All right. So in that series, I have come up with one more project, that is LoRa-Enabled Flood Early Warning System with ESP32 and web dashboard. So it is a AquaSense LoRa based. So what is there? So this project overview is the system consists of two main parts. One is sensor node, that is a transmitter, and ESP32 LoRa module and ultrasonic sensor, where you have ESP32, the main controller, LoRa module will be there, and ultrasonic sensor. Collect water level data. Here, the main sensor, it will collect the water level data with the help of ultrasonic sensor and sends it via the LoRa protocol, right, through the communication protocol, that is, we call it as a LoRa port. The device is battery powered, it can be battery powered, and solar charger. If you are using a solar charger, then you have to use few of the more components. That means you have to use solar charger and you have to use the converter, a battery charger. And data is transmitted even when the cellular network are down. That is, when the current is not there, power is not there. At that time also, it will be working. That is the advantage of solar. The second one is, that is the receiver side. We call it the gateway. Another ESP with the LoRa module, receiver, we call it as the data. Connect to the local Wi-Fi and forward it to the cloud IoT platform. Using a cloud IoT platform or ThinkSpeak, Blink, where it is. But in my case, in my project, I have used a application, that is HTTP application. That means the data will be coming onto my mobile. All right. So what are the components I have used? So combined, that is transmitter and receiver combined, because two of the things I have used it here. Even the ESP32 boards, two board have been used. LoRa, same module. You can use any other module. In my case, I have used RA02. You can use SX1276 or RFM 95 MHz. Then only one ultrasonic sensor is required. That is one JSN SR04T. It's a waterproof module. If you don't get, then you can use the normal sensor. In my case, I have used a normal SR04. Then if you are using a solar panel, then 6-volt solar panel you can use. And for charging module, PP4056 you can use, right? The figures I have shown you here, the different type of figures. This is JSN SR04, that is ultrasonic sensor module. And these are, I required these two, and this is one for battery, and this is my solar charger. Buzzer also have used, but please, on the place of buzzer, I have used only a LED for indication purpose. That is, when the flood activity or that comes to the danger level, automatically the light comes on. Connecting wires, breadboard, and these are waterproof enclosures and all these are important. So you can arrange these things. All right. Now, circuit connections are very simple. So first beginning, RA02, that is my LoRa module. ESP32, GPR pin descriptions are given. That is VCC. Please remember, this module works at 3.3 volts. We don't have to get with 5 volts. Please remember, this has to be powered with 3.3 ground to ground connection. And NSS, which will be NSS or CS, which will be connected to GPI 5 of the ESP. Serial clock is connected to 18. SPI clock, we call it as MOSI. It is connected to 23. That is GPI 23. MISO is connected to 19. Okay. Reset is connected to 14. And DIO 0 is connected to pin number 2. That is GPI 2. Then buzzer or LED, whatever you are using, you can connect it to GPI 25, ground to ground. And HCSR04, it is connected to GPI 12, that is trigger pin, and echo pin is connected to GPI 14. Simple connections. You can connect it by just giving this, because only one sensor used and one LED used. So only you have to be a little careful while connecting the LoRa modules. Both the side, same pins, that is the transmitter side as well as the receiver side. Of course, I will be sharing the codes with you, and we will find out how it works. So let's go to our lab and check out. Here in our lab now. So first I'm showing you the web dashboard. Okay. So this is coming on my web dashboard, that is on my mobile phone. So here it is, you can see on the bottom side, the water level are normal. So signal is 61 dB and 0 centimeter, and reverse station is 0.1. That is, this is about node 1, or we can take at different type of nodes. Okay. Right. So what I will do is, you can see here, This is my transmitter. And I will just put my hand there. You can see what happens over this thing. So it is showing flood. This thing is coming. So when I put my hand near to this thing, so it will sense that the water level has come up, and it will give you the complete idea about this thing. I will refresh it once again. I will see. Okay, water level are normal. Once again, please check. I'm putting my hand here, and after some time, when I remove it, it will automatically see. You can see the flood level as well. It has shown some values in the centimeter decibel level, and this is AquaSense, and this is my dashboard. Okay, so I will show you about this part, that is what are the transmitter part. So I've used a sensor, that is ultrasonic sensor here. As I said, if you are using a 6 volt, if it is a solar based, then you have to use this your solar panel, that is 6 volt solar panel. Then battery charger, which you can see it here. Right, this is battery charger, and this is my circuit. Okay, in the circuit ESP32 LoRa module RA02. Instead of these things, I have used what I have used. I have used a LED. Okay, I can use a buzzer, but buzzer noise sound sometimes you will not be able to hear it. So just for indication purpose, this is a transmitter part. You can also use a battery for powering. Right now, I powered it with 5 volt external power, 5 volt from my laptop. And this is my, and one more thing, very important. This is the antenna. Without antenna, please don't connect it. This wire is the antenna wire. And this is the second part, that is the receiver part. You can see this is the receiver part. Okay? So receiver part only ESP32 and LoRa 433 megahertz LoRa RA02 I have used it. Even this is powered by your laptop only. Okay, so you can see here how it is getting updated and how the things are working on. So just recently I put my hand, so it will take few of the seconds. Again, we will see. I'm just putting my hand over here. Let's see what happens when you put your hand. That is video flood alert. Like red color is a flood alert. Okay, so this will be towards the water side, and immediately this light starts blinking fast. And please remember, this is a IoT based project because we are using LoRa. Okay, so these are the two LoRa modules which will match. Please remember, this is the antenna for this module. This is small wire for this module. If you are using that is your solar panels, then you have to use solar panel as well as the battery charger. Okay, so I hope this will give you a little idea about this thing. I will share the codes with you. This is my LoRa-Enabled Flood Early Warning system. That is a receiver part. Okay, receiver part. Then this is my receiver part. This side you can see the receiver part, and it is same thing. It is going on my web dashboard. So this ESP, this one ESP, this ESP is connected to my web dashboard. Okay, so I'm getting the parameters over here. You can see on this thing. First, what you have to do is you have to check what is the IP address gateway. Then you have to open this. Then only this page gets open on your web, on this thing. And as well as you will get on serial monitor the parameters what we are getting here. So, okay, so this is let's see this. These are the libraries, 4 libraries we have to put, and we have to define the SSRST, and that is about the LoRa part. And what is the frequency? That is I've used for this. This is the frequency for my LoRa. And SSID password I have given it here. And this is about HTML page. That is how the page will appear. That is given in this thing. And I will be sharing all these things. So page you can make it and you can give to them. So whatever the information is sent from this side, that is the transmitter side, it will be shared on the receiver side through LoRa, and then it will come to your mobile application. Okay, so this is right now, since it is coming on my mobile application, you can see here. Well, so this is about this thing, and I will just try to show you the transmitter part. Okay, so I will be sharing all this codes with you. The second part, that is the transmitter code. Before we have seen what was the receiver code. So here also you will be getting all water levels and this thing that is about live. It will be showing water levels and all. By this is your transmitter part. Okay, so again, this part is the transmitter part where I have used this thing, that is a solar panel and battery charger, ultrasonic sensor, LED, and LoRa module, and ESP. That is for my board, that is for communication purpose, the microphone, you can say. Okay, so here also this the 3 libraries you have kept it, and the same pins what I have taken in RS here also you have been, but here extra trigger pin and echo pin because I have used a ultrasonic sensor here, and I have given pin number 25 to buzzer, but on that place what I have connected a LED for that. Okay. So remember this parameter is important. Less than 30, then the light will come or buzzer will come. And same again, LoRa, same module, because the same module will match. That is 433E6. This is very important. Then you have to give LoRa setup pins, SSRST, this thing, which we have already given. The same thing, it will be there, but here the distance, here the HTTP codes, and that is not will be present here, because this will be only working as a transmitter. So it's only 70 line ports. This also I'm going to share with you how the distance and everything will be there. This is defined for the sensor. Okay, and whatever the information goes to the receiver side, that is important, that we have already seen it. Okay, so here also continuously you are getting all the parameter, that is you will get all the information continuously. Okay, so this is about the project. I hope you like this project, and if any questions or this thing will be there, please remember, I'm not done with the whatever the live projects are there, I'm showing it to you so that you get idea. You can work on it and you can ask me also. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you next time.